Welcome back. I hope you are feeling awesome. As a part of this video, we'll introduce normalization. Before we understand the normalization, if you remember, when we talked about developing a database, we said you have to design a database first. So what do you mean by design? Design is a collection of processes that facilitate the designing, development, implementation, and maintenance of the enterprise data management systems, which we already understood as a part of our earlier videos. Within the database design, we do have different phases like conceptual design, logical design, and physical design. In order to come out with the conceptual design, we took a help of ER modeling. We understood the different aspects of the ER modeling as a part of our earlier videos. Then, is it enough for us to only come out of the ER modeling as a part of the database design? What about the consistency? What about the reliability? What about the accuracy? That is where we have to think about the data integrity. We have spent good amount of time in data integrity. So the now question is it enough we take care of the data integrity? What about the redundancy of the data? What about the anomalies in the data? That is where normalization comes into picture. So what is normalization then? Normalization is a systematic approach to decompose the tables to eliminate the redundancy. What exactly is redundancy? Redundancy is nothing but a duplicate data, right? The data which is repeated multiple times, that is the redundancy. So normalization is a systematic approach to decompose the tables to eliminate the data redundancy. That is what is normalization. When you are developing a database, you would have multiple tables as a part of the database. You will be either updating the data in a table or deleting the data or inserting the data. While doing all these things, you may introduce some anomalies. So normalization will avoid all the anomalies. So in a way, anomalies are avoided by the process of normalization. Normalization is a multi-step process which will put the data in a tabular form to remove the duplicate data. We do have different steps. Like we have to first go with the first normal form, then second normal form, then third normal form, then Boise chord normal form. We do have some other normal form, but we'll restrict ourselves to these four normal forms to perform a normalization. Let us understand all these things as a part of our subsequent videos. Thank you.